the third and final part of salve making, wherein we will press the salve oil, incorporate it with wax, and pour it into salve containers for future use. I doubled the recipe while you weren't looking. The oil has been macerating in the dryer at 120 degrees Fahrenheit for more than 7 days, and I've shaken it daily twice. A tiny note on recycling and reusing. There is very little in this world that makes me happier. So, whilst I was heating up the salve oil, I was also at the same time drying my mandrake roots. And after almost a week of dehydration at 120 degrees Fahrenheit, they're still spongy. And what this tells me is they have a lot of resistance to drying out. Okay, sorry, back to salve. I've cleaned and dried my half-gallon receiving container, and I'm elevating it up on this little pedestal. I'm reusing this pressing bag that was used previously for oils. It's been washed and dried out in the meantime. I could just as easily use 4 layers of unbleached cheesecloth. So I shake my oils and I press them while they're still hot. Fold the cloth in on top of the macerate till it looks kind of like that. Turn the toggle to the right to lock the press. Center it and press it up, or maybe down as it were. Oil comes under pressure. Yielding nicely. Glub, glub, glub. Press it up to full pressure and let it drip for a while. The herbal ingredients, when pressed out under high pressure in this manner, are more concentrated than what you would get by hand squeezing. Okay, finished yielding. Turn the toggle to the left to let down the press. Remove the bag. The mark is pressed into a lump of dry material. Let it go. Bye-bye, Mark. Making plant medicine. Formula for making herbal salve. Formula is 100 to 17. That is, for every 100 ml of oil, add 17 grams of wax for a medium salve. Heat it to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 65 degrees Celsius for incorporation, and then pour. The yield was 800 ml of oil. So by my calculations, 8 times 17 is 136. 800 ml of oil should be mixed with 136 grams of beeswax for a medium salve. "136 grams of beeswax cut in pieces." You don't actually have to use a thermometer for the rest of the process. I'm going to use my old black cook stove to finish out the salve. The beeswax is melted. There is a calendula seed floating in it. How did that happen? Okay, got my salve oil in a separate pan just in case it breaks. Heating up. That's going to be very useful for pouring. Wax melts at 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour in the salve oil. It was less than 150 degrees. Therefore, there is some congealing. We need to heat this up on the stove until it just melts, and then we'll be ready to pour it. Pour off the salve oil into the Pyrex. Get your salve containers ready. Put them right at the edge of the table. Pour off right to the brim. Is it the brim or the rim? I guess it's brim full to the rim. I actually had just enough containers to finish my batch. Oh, with good grace, that's the way it rolls. Letting it congeal in the morning sun. I'll let it cool until it's done. There you have it. Finished Comfrey salve with the myrrh in there. Should last a year in storage. Very stable. Good for gifts, selling, or home use.